Hindi mo ba napapansin, mga bulaklak ay magkakawangis, mga dahon ay magkakahugis? Hindi mo ba naitatanong, mundo'y may ayos na sinusundan, sa mas inyo yan malalaman. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro, tuklasin ang math sa buhay natin, dali lang magbasa tayo. Mga number at mga sign, hindi dapat katakutan, ito ay mga simbolo ng gusto natin sabihin at malaman. Kaya sila'y kaibiganin at kayo'y magtataka, mundo'y mas mauunawaan. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro, tuklasin ang math sa buhay natin, dali na magmasa tayo. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro, alagising, maging Mec-Tinik.
Oo, meron easy lang yan. Maris? Isa pa, pwede tayo mag-check kahit saan sa mga. What the? Bakit gano'n? Paano yun? Ang ibig ko sabihin, pwede tayo mag-review para sa pwede kahit saan man tayo. Dito pwede tayo mag-review. Paano yun?
Kung titignan mo mabuti ang tinuturo ko, makikita mo ang figure na nasa mech notes natin. Isang triangle na nakapatong sa isang rectangle. Gawin nating point A at point B ang magkabilang dulo. Ngayon, hanapin natin ang RA at RB. Isipin natin 6 meters ang haba ng figure natin at ang weight ng bawat figure ay 300 Newton per meter. Kunin muna natin ang W1 sa rectangle. I-multiply natin ang 300 sa 6 meters dahil yun ang haba ng figure natin. Ang lalabas dito ay 1,800 newtons. Sa W2 naman, dahil ang figure sa taas ay isang triangle, i-multiply natin ang 300 times 6 sa 1/2. Makuha natin dito ay 900 newtons. Mag-moment tayo ngayon sa point A para makuha ang RB. Summation moments of A is equals to 0. W1 times 3 plus W2 times 4 minus RB times 6 equals to 0. I-substitute natin ngayon ang nakuha natin sa W1 at W2. Ngayon, pwede natin ma-solve ang RB. At ang lalabas dito ay 1,500 newtons. Para naman makuha ang RA, gamitin natin ang summation of forces of Y. At ang lalabas dito ay 1,200 newtons. O diba? Ganun lang kadali.
Oo nga, no? Wala mo pa yun. Paano mo naisip yun? Sabi naman sir, kahit saan tayo magpunta, pwede tayo mag-review para sa merkado. Sabihin, pwede rin ba yung building yun?
Eh, hindi naman building yan eh. Pero pwede yan. May ganito example ako nakita sa librong Learning Guide in Engineering Mechanics. Ganito ang exact figure na nakita ko. Lagay na rin natin ang mga measurements. Ngayon, compute natin ang moment of area of the shaded portion about the horizontal centroid axis XO of the entire section. I-multiply natin ang y bar sa summation ng 6 times 1 plus 12 times 1 plus 12 times 1. At equate natin to sa summation ng 6 times 13.5 plus 12 times 7 plus 12 times 0.5. Ang lalabas dito ay 30 y bar is equals to 171. Ang lalabas na sagot sa y bar ay 5.7 inches. Ngayon, mag-moment tayo sa XO. Summation of moments at XO is equals to 6 times 1 times 7.8 plus 7.3 times 1 times 3.65. At lalabas ang sagot na 73.4 cubic inches. Ganun lang yun.
Saan sir? Saan? May ibig sabihin ba ito? Kahit ibang bansa, kahit ibang mundo, pwede?
Ibang bansa ba ang ibig mong sabihin?
Uy, si Rod! Rod nga!
Easy! In this figure, we must determine the reactant force of A, or we call it as RA, which is found on the bottom left part of the tray. And the reactant force of B, or RB, which is found on the bottom right part of the tray. Assuming that the weight is 200 Newton meter, the bottom distance of the tray is 8.5 meters, wherein the rectangular length part of the tray is 4 meters, and the left side, the length of the triangular arc shape is 2 meters, and on the right side, the length part, the length of the triangular arc shape is 2.5 meters. To solve this problem, we must determine the three W's, wherein W1 found on the left side, which is 200 times 2 all over 2 plus 1, which is 400 over 3 newtons. W2 found on the middle, which is 200 times 4, which is equivalent to 800 newtons. And W3, which is found on the right side, which is 200 times 2.5 all over 3 plus 1 is equal to 125 newtons. Now, we now need to find the moment of A in order to determine the value of RB, in such that the required data that we need to find the distance of the W's on A, as computed, it is 2 minus the quantity 2 all over the quantity of 2 plus 2, which is 1.5 meter. W2 is 6 plus the quantity 2.5 all over the quantity 3 plus 2 is equal to 6.5 meters. And W3 is equal to 2 plus 2, so it is 4 meters. So let's repeat it again. W1 is 1.5 meter, W2 is 6.5 meter, and W3 is 4 meter. Now we have the distance, we can now compute for the moment of A. The moment in A must be equal to 0, such that the moment in A is the sum of the products of W1 and its distance from A, that will be 400 over 3 times 1.5, W2 and its distance from A, that will be 800 times 4, W3 and its distance from A, which is 125 times 6.5, and the RB times the bottom length of the tray, and wherein we have to take note that RB in here is a negative value. So it is negative RB times 8.5 is equal to 0. So upon having that, we can find the value of the RB. The computed value of the RB on that formula is 495.59 newtons. Now we have the value of RB. So we now have to find the value of RA. First, we must assume the summation of force on Y is equal to 0. It is the sum of W1, W2, and W3 minus the sum of RA and RB is equal to 0. So we can have it as W1 plus W2 plus W3 is equal to RA plus RB. Upon substituting the values of W1, W2, W3, and the RB, we can have the value of RA, which is 562.74 newtons. That will be 562.74 newtons for RA, And for RB, 495.59 Newton. Well, I guess we solved the problem.
Lang, pwede siya mas wala ito mga sa pasilip.
Talaga? At kung may ganito kang calculus, sabay na tinuro ko, mas talaga.